Alright, it's a weeknight. It's hot out there, but you know, I pay attention a little bit. I try not to look at the sites too much because I'll be tempted to buy stuff. I spotted this in an ad, and the only thing in the picture that I could see was Wilton. So I said, let me click on that and see what it is. So I already put away some of the C-clamps, but I got 2 Wilton, 1 Agrippa. That's a pretty clever name. Yeah, this clamp's Agrippa. New York accent. Agrippa. There's one Cincinnati Cool. What's this one? Jorgensen. Some itty bitty ones here. That's a good one. Anyways, not bad for 20 bucks, huh? I'm especially proud of the Agrippa. Hey, look. Look it, folks. I got a new neighbor for the 46 Ford. And I've learned my lesson. No more projects. This one's already done. What am I doing with a jack handle in the way? Messing up the vid here. Is she a beaut? This even got, look at this Chevaholic, air conditioning. It don't work, but it's got it. That's really the only flaw on the car that I found yet. Right back there is where the condenser is. Ain't she a beaut? Look at the glass. It all rolls up and down. Alright, I think we'll take it for a ride. Alright, I don't know too much about Model A's, but maybe y'all can school me. It's got an oil filter. It's got a plastic fan. It's got a air filter element. I don't really like that too much. It's got a stainless steel exhaust. I don't know. It's got neat little hooks. It's got turn signals. It's a pretty nice car. Alright, I'm gonna put some water in it. It looks a little low. I'm gonna ride it around. Looks like I need to flush the system too. But we'll figure all that out. Alright, I'm gonna do a Carolina cold start. It's like, let's see here. Yeah, 72 in here. Which is a lot colder in here than it is outside. It's like 95 outside. Alright, I turned on, it's got a master switch rigged here. That's kind of, I really ain't too wild about that, but it works. Let's make sure it's in neutral. Where's the keys? Oh yeah, they're in my hand. Really should have been better prepared here. Let's got it upside downwards, or maybe it's the wrong key. Here we go. I'm gonna give it a little throttle. I don't remember. I'm gonna give it about that much advance and see if it'll start. Maybe I'll give it a little less advanced. I don't really know about these things. I'm almost straining trying to get it to start. She almost done it. There it goes. Oh, I did something erroneously. I think that's too much advance. Well, this isn't really turning out that good, is it? You don't suppose it's out of gas, do you?
I mean, that could be the case.
Oh, you just gotta play with her a little. Yeah, let's open the door. Can't do it one hand. Look at this. Look at this, folks. Well, there ain't nothing to look at, is there? Unless I turn them on all the way. There we go. Big old bug eyes. I like it. And this is the best part about a Model A. Seems like it don't sound just like I remembered it oughta.
Kind of sounds like a Olympia horn.
Yeah. Alright, let's back this thing out. There's got a Mitchell overdrive too. Alright, we got the air condition open here. We got the rear view mirror. We got some cup holders. Those might have to go. Let's go take it for a ride. Got turn signals. Quit yet. We're almost at 60, son. Well, there won't be many videos of me filming while I'm driving that thing. But it drives pretty good. It's got at least a couple drums warped pretty bad. Seems to run good. I hadn't really mastered the time in advance and all that. I don't know. Take some playing with it. It'll pop out of second gear if you try to ride at slow speeds. But I guess that's to be expected in a 90-year-old car. Anyways, I still like it. So maybe we'll have some more videos later. But just now, I got some other stuff I gotta do. It has 1932 wheels with 16-inch radial tires. I don't know but what I might want to put the original 19s on it. I don't know. Anyways, we gotta do some inspecting on it. Check the wheel bearings and all that stuff. But I think she's gonna be good. How was that one?
This one was really low.
How low?
It's like 28 or something.
28.
Yeah. The rest are good.
The rest are at 32. Alright. Well, we can put 4 pound in it. Oh my gosh. You just can't have nice things. Oh, another thing. It's well over 90 degrees out there. And the engine temperature is about 190. It's about as hot as I saw it. So I think that's good. I think that's good. Anyway, I need to study on it some more. But I like it so far.